paano ba i-compute ang ating retirement fund? First thing that we have to do is get your desired annual income. Sabihin na lang natin, in a year, you want to earn 240,000 pesos passive income. The next step is kunin natin ang gross dividend yield. So gamitin natin ang A-REIT as an example. As of this recording, ang kanyang gross dividend yield ay 5.87%. Take note lang natin guys, so when it comes to the dividends that we are going to get from REITs, meron siyang withholding tax na 10%. So ibig sabihin, yung net dividend yield natin is 5.28% per annum. All we have to do right now is divide your desired annual income sa net dividend yield. So in this case, 240,000 pesos divided by 5.28%, meron kang capitalization amounting to 4.6 million pesos. This is just a sample computation para alam natin kung magkano ba yung kailangan natin na capitalization in order for us to earn a certain amount na gusto natin na passive income. If you have any other questions when it comes to finances, just put it sa comment section.